Another set of airplane yokes going out here at Craft Customs, and these are a little bit different than what we normally get in. We do a lot of Cessna and Beechcraft aircraft yokes. This one is off of an Aero Twin Commander Model 500B, and the year is 1972, and so it's a different looking airplane yoke than we see around here a lot. So we can do any airplane yoke or any steering wheel for that matter in the world, and so we can do yours also. I can tell you this, his interior is going to feel 100% more luxurious and sporty and comfortable having these yokes instead of the old cracked up powder coated yokes that were on it before. So this is what we do here at Craft Customs. We upholster and cover all airplane yokes and all steering wheels in the world. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com and we look forward to working with you.